Welcome everyone. Welcome to the Light Up Your Life Body Energy Test video. Today, I'm going to demonstrate HTE's newest energy level test, the E-Power Light Bulb Test. By using only the E-Power and a 48-inch 40-watt fluorescent light bulb to measure 12 specific areas of your body, this test will show you how the energy levels are in these areas and if you have any energy blockage. And the results are pretty amazing and accurate. This introductory demonstration is intended to show you what a complete E-Power light bulb test is like. We hope you will enjoy this video. Thank you. Welcome, Sol.
Hi.
Hi, how are you doing?
Good, and you?
Great, great. Thank you very much. Thank you for bringing my model today.
Sure.
Would you please take a seat, please? And make sure this belt is right in the middle, and you need to put your feet on this stool here for me, please.
Sure.
Okay. All right, feeling comfortable now?
Yeah.
That's great. So what we have here today is a very, very special body energy level test. I'll be using this E-Power and this 40 watts, 48-inch light bulb to measure the energy levels in your body. Okay. So I'm going to cover 12 testing points. Okay. And then so after the test, we'll be able to see, according to the results, we'll be able to make some recommendations for you, okay, to make some improvement, health improvement, okay? All right, so basically the theory is that this E-Power over here and this light tube here is going to form a, what we call a closed loop circuit, okay? And you are actually part of the closed loop circuit, so it's you're absolutely free. So you don't need to worry about anything. Okay, it's a very safe test here.
Okay.
All right. So before we get started, I do have some questions for you. Okay. The first question is a little personal, but I do need you to answer me honestly. Okay. Are you currently pregnant?
No.
No. Okay. All right. And do you have any metals or cell phone with you? Any electronic devices?
No.
No.
Nothing.
Okay. Any pacemaker installed or anything that runs on battery installed in your body?
No, thank God not.
Okay, that's great. That's good to know. All right, that's good. So before I get started, I do need to explain to you about what we're doing here. Since this is an energy level test, so it's important that you know the definition of different energy levels. Okay. Basically, we have four different energy levels here. The first is it's called energy level 1, level 2, level 3, and level 4, and 1 being the best. Okay. All right. So level 1 is when I use this light bulb here and touch your body, and then the light tube lights up right away without me touching the light bulb. So that would be number 1, level number 1. Okay. Now, level number 2 is when I have to give a couple of taps here on this the light tube in order for the tube to light up. And in this case, that's level number 2. Okay. Now, level number 3 is when I have to give this light bulb a couple of a stroke, okay, or rub the light tube a little bit more in order for the light tube to light up. And so this will be level number 3. Now, level number 4 is kind of hard. Whatever I do, it's just very, very difficult. For example, tapping or rubbing, the light bulb just wouldn't light up.
Okay.
So that would be level number 4, and that is, of course, representing the lowest energy level. Okay. So you ready?
Oh, yes, I am.
You are ready? Okay. So you ready to light up your life with the E-Power test?
Oh, of course.
Okay, very good. Alrighty, so the next thing to do is I'm going to have to ask you to drink a cup of water.
Sure.
Okay. All right, water is very important because the E-Power machine actually detoxes your body. Okay, and so thank you very much. So you should always take some water before and after the test, okay, to flush out the toxins.
Oh, okay.
All right. So the next thing I do is I will set this E-Power. I will set the EPA level on low. Okay. Okay. And then I'll be using the timer so I know how much time has elapsed. Okay. Normally I always set it at 30 here. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead, hit start. The first point is going to be your hand, and then your shoulder, your head, and then another shoulder, and then your right hand, and then we're going to go from heart, and then digestive system, liver, your knees, and then your feet. Okay? All right. I also have this chart here, so I need you to, write down the energy levels.
Oh, okay.
Okay? Very good. Let's go ahead and start with your left hand, please. Do you think this is level 1?
No.
Okay? No? All right. Well, you see that? Something interesting happened. When I bring my hand close to the light tube, you light it up. Right? I will still call it level 1. Okay?
Oh,
That's
okay.
good. Thank you. So would you please put down here the suggested level, the suggested ideal level in your hand is actually level 1. Okay? So you also have 1 here. Okay?
That's good.
All right. That's good. It means that you have good circulation in your hand, your left hand especially.
Oh, okay.
Now the next point is going to be on your shoulder here, okay? The suggested ideal energy level is actually level 2. We'll see what we have here, okay? Okay, this is level 1?
No.
No? Let's give it a couple of taps here. No? Not
No.
level 2. Let's try level 3. So, what do you think? What level is this?
3.
That's 3. Okay. All right. Would you please write it down for me? Level 3. So, we have low energy level here. Do you think anything you can share with me? Anything discomfort over here?
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
A little bit of pain here, probably tension, I presume.
Tension. Okay.
Mhm.
All right. So yeah, it's level 3. It shows me that you have some sort of a low energy level here. There's probably some energy blockage in this area. It's important that you take care of it, because if you don't, future issues may develop. For example, stiff neck. Okay, and then it's going to hinder. It's going to block the energy flow. The energy flow in the blood circulation that supplies energy and oxygen to your head. And further problems may develop. For example, like dizziness, headaches, okay, bad memory retention, okay, things like that. So it's very important that we take care of the energy flow and the blood flow, okay, blood circulation in this area to prevent further issues. All right, let's move on to the next one here. And the next one is your head. All right, let's see what happens here. Okay. All right, can you see it? Do you think this is level 1?
No.
No, it's not? Okay, let's try level 2. Is it level 2?
Yes.
That's right. But I tapped it twice, right? Okay, so would you please put it down for me here?
Sure.
Level 2? Okay. Now the ideal energy level over here is level 2. And you also have a level 2 as well. It's a little low, but I would still call it level 2. Okay? So let's take a look at the right shoulder over here and see what happens. And later I'll tell you, I'll give you a conclusion, okay? And I'll make some further recommendations for you. Okay, so over here, let's try that. Okay, do you think this is level 1?
No.
No? Okay. Do you think this is level 2?
No.
No? Okay. All right, let's give it a try. Do you think it's level 3?
Yes.
Okay, would you please write down level 3 for me? Okay. Just like your left shoulder, the suggested ideal level here is also supposed to be level 2, but you have level 3. So this shows that you do have some sort of issue in this area. And same thing here. I mean, it kind of tells me like your upper body circulation, blood circulation is not as ideal. Okay. Alrighty, and then let's move on to the next one. I'm going to need your right hand. Okay. Alright, just hold that for me. Same thing happened, right? I had to bring my hand a little closer to the tap, to the light tube, right? But I'll still call it level 1. Okay. Thank you. Would you please put it down for me? Yeah, I will call it a low level 1 because I had to bring my hand close to the light bulb here. Okay. All right. So the next thing is we're going to go ahead and measure the energy level in the heart area over here. Okay. Now this is how you find it. how you find the testing points. Okay. First of all, I'm going to need you to define the nipple here. All right, and then it's about 1 inch. Okay, you can easily use your finger to measure. Okay, about 1 inch towards outside, toward your left. Okay, and then you go straight down until you hit the end of the rib cage over here. Okay, and then you work upward. Okay, find the point is actually in between the 3rd and the 4th ribs.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's start counting approximately. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it's in between 3 and 4. Okay, all right. So that's good. All right, you can let go now, please. All right, good. Now the ideal level here should be level 2. Let's see what you have. Okay, this is not 1. Okay, let's see. Oh, is it 2?
No.
No. Okay, let's see. So this is level 3. Okay, that's good. So this is, would you please put down level 3 for me?
Sure.
The energy level in your heart area actually corresponds with has something a lot to do with the upper body blood circulation. It shows there's a low energy level in this area. That might be the reason. That could be the explanation why you have sore shoulder over here, or a low energy level right here on your shoulders. Because when your heart, the energy level is weak in your heart, then your heart is not supplying or pumping enough oxygen. Okay, and the circulation is also not as strong, not as good. So it's kind of, yeah, since you have some sort of energy blockage over here, it's making it hard to pass through your shoulder in order for the blood circulation and the oxygen to be delivered to your the neck and your brain. Okay, so that probably is the reason why you have bad low shoulder, energy levels in your shoulders. Okay, and this is very important because heart, not just the cardiovascular system, is very important to our body. Okay, now energy level low over here. We're going to suggest you to use some machine, especially like the Qi machine. Okay, Qi machine can help your body. It can pump more oxygen into your body. Okay, and then we can also use some hat house over here to help you recover restore energy level here. And especially the Qi machine will help you exercise. It's going to relax your muscles here as well, your shoulder, the muscles around your shoulders. So it's a very good machine to have to help you restore energy level. Okay.
Very good.
All right. Now let's move on to the digestive system. Okay. The digestive system is really easy. What you do is you find the sternum over here, the bottom of the sternum here. Okay. And then the navel. Okay. And then it's the point right in between.
Okay.
Okay. Let's see that. Let's see what happens here. Now the ideal level here is level 2. Let's see what you have. All right, this is not 1. So it's not 2 either. Let's see. Okay, so what do you think it is?
3.
It's 3. Okay, would you please write down 3 for me? So the digestive system, the energy level here is a little low over here. It's a little off. So is there anything you can share with me? Any change of eating habits, maybe? Change of diets?
Pretty much, a lot of probably bad choices of food.
Any other issues? Do you have any issues?
Yeah, actually, sometimes I suffer from bloatiness and things like that.
Oh, okay. All right. So, well, the digestive system is very, very important to our body. Okay. Because that's one of the major detox organs as well, your stomach and your intestine. And this point, this testing point here shows me that you have low energy level right now. Okay. So it's really important that we'll take a look, okay? Because if you don't have it, you don't take care of it, chances, for example, you told me just you have bloated stomach, things like that.
Yeah.
Okay. And we want to make sure that it's not acidic. Okay? Your digestive system is not acidic.
Okay.
It's a very important detox and cleansing system in our body. And I'll tell you a little bit more about this. Let's go on and try the energy level in the liver area, because the liver has a lot to do. Okay, the liver and gallbladder has a lot to do with the digestive system as well. So let's take a look. Okay, all right. So this is how you find the liver testing points over here. Again, the nipple over here, and it's about 1.5 inch to the right. Okay, so about this far here, and then you go straight down until the end of the rib cage. Okay, and then you count upward. Okay, it's in between the first and second rib. Okay, so it's about right here, and you got it. Okay, good. Alrighty. Okay, it's supposed to be level 2 as well. So what do you think? Is this level 1?
No.
No. Okay. Let's give it a couple of taps here. Level 2? No. Don't worry. We'll see. Okay, you have what? Level 3. Okay, so you have low energy level in this area here. So anything you can share with me? Like going to bed late or?
Going to bed late, that's right. Poor quality of sleep, of course.
Poor quality of sleep. Okay. So you do have poor quality of sleep, and then also the digestive system over here also shows low energy level here. Well, let me share a little bit of information with you. Our body has its own natural detox organs, detox system. Okay, the liver and the gallbladder. Actually, gallbladder is covered by the liver over here. Okay, they're the same, and they're actually the same thing. They affect each other. Okay, so basically, what's telling me here is that you have low energy level there, which means that your body is not detoxing very well, because our detox system includes organs, include the liver, the gallbladder, the stomach, the skin, okay, the kidneys, and the cells. Okay, so these are some of the major detox organs. You need to take very good care of it, okay, because when the liver energy level is very low over here, it's going to affect your digestive system as well.
Okay.
Yeah, and then because of that, your body is probably not detoxing very well, so you will feel fatigue. Okay, you feel tired easily. Do you have that?
As a matter of fact, I do.
You do?
Yeah, I've been recently get a diagnosis of hypothyroidism, which, among the symptoms, it has that, a lot of tiredness, bloatiness, and problems with the digestive system.
So like thyroid thing? Well, that's pretty, yeah. So yeah, those are all related for the thyroid issues. We know that it has a lot to do with the hormones, right? And some of the symptoms include like, bloated stomach, fatigue, right? Water retention.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, things like that, yeah. Well, don't worry now, because we have perfect machine for you. For example, with the Chi machine, the one I told you about, the Chi machine is very good at reducing water retention in your legs, especially. Okay, and also the E-Power is one of the best detox machine. It's going to help your body detox, especially the liver and the stomach, the digestive system. Okay, so you bring the pH balance to your digestive system. Okay, and also detox and cleansing in this area. So this is absolutely the best machine to help you out. Plus the hot house, okay, it's going to be able to help you restore the energy level as well, and take care of some inflammation in this areas too. Okay, all right. So yeah, in conclusion, it kind of tells me we need to emphasize on improving your blood circulation, and especially metabolism, because thyroid issues also what?
Yeah.
Means
Lower
your lower metabolism. Yeah. In this case, hot house, Chi machine, and E-Power, they're perfect. Okay, they're perfect. So these are all these machines are very good at detoxing your body. Okay, and especially the hot house, helps a lot. Okay. Helps in restoring, taking up the inflammation, because when your body liver is not detoxing too well, it means that there is some sort of minor inflammation in the liver area. So that also help. You can put it over here. Okay. All right. So those are pretty much what we have found out so far, right?
Mhm.
So let's take a look at the knees over here, okay?
Sure.
All right. Okay, the next thing is here, the lower body, lower body energy. Let's see, circulation. Let's see. So is this level 1?
No.
Ah, it's level 2.
Mhm.
And the ideal level is? It's actually
2?
also
Oh,
level.
no, I'm sorry.
It's level 1.
Number 1,
Yeah.
that's true.
So it's a little off over here. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Would you please?
Sure.
All right. Okay. This is 1. Okay. That's good. Let's take a look at the other side here. Is this 1?
No.
It's actually 2.
Mhm.
Okay. And we know it's supposed to be what? 1. Right.
That's
That's
right.
like what it says over here on the chart.
Mhm.
Okay. So let's try over here. Would you please? Oh, this is also 1. Okay. Although I had to bring my hand a little closer, but I'll still call it 1.
Oh, that's
Okay.
good.
Alrighty. So would you please?
Thank you very much.
That's good. All right, so we know that your lower body blood circulation is a little off here. So especially the knee. I mean, anything you can share with me? Any issues or any?
Yeah, actually, a lot of pain on the
Pain?
knees.
Okay.
A lot of water retention in this area.
Oh yeah, because of your
Mhm.
yeah the thyroid issue.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's also important to take care of lower body blood circulation, and that's very important because when you have low energy in this area, it could develop into something more serious. For example, it's gonna you may have lower body ache, okay, lower body back pain.
Mhm.
Okay, things like lower, so in this area over here, okay, and some cramps, for example, okay. So that is definitely the area we want to take care of. The hot house, what you can do is you can use the chi machine, and the hot house, same thing, in this area, and it will ease the pain. In a lot of cases, it repairs damaged tissue and things like that. It will improve the knees greatly. Okay, so hot house, you can use the hot house in this area, and the chi machine at the same time. So, and also the ERE is pretty good. Okay, the ERE machine is very good for your local blood circulation around this area over here. Okay, so that is gonna also help relax, and will also help a lot with the knee issues as well.
Mhm. Oh, that's
So that's it's pretty good. I mean, so we have all these machines to help you restore your energies in your low energy points, low energy areas. Okay? The main purpose of our machines are to restore the organs in your body to its original functionality, to its original energy level, perhaps, if you will. That's how we call it. So only when you have very, very healthy organs that you can have very healthy body. Okay. So that's hopefully all the machines we have will help you out. And we do have some machine you can try later after this test here. I would like to show you. Okay.
That's good.
All right. So any other questions?
No, actually, no. I appreciate it. Very accurate, actually.
Really? That's
Yeah.
really good. Okay, that concludes the test here today. Thank you very much. And before I let you go, let me turn off the machine over here. Okay? All righty. Very good. Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah, thank
Sol,
you.
thank you. All right. Okay, see you next time.
See you.
Okay. This is level 1. The tube lights up right away. Click. This is level 2. This is level 3.